Hey guys, Ed from the Computer Garage. Yes, that's my printer. It's a Canon MP890. And today I'm going to show those of you who aren't really quite sure how to do it, and probably get the local nerd to do it for you. I'm going to show you how to change your own ink tanks. For this video I'm only going to change the cyan ink tank, which is that. I use 526. Sorry if it's a bit blurred, but the printer is actually asking to change the yellow as well, but I don't want to bore you guys too much and change both of them, so I'll just change the blue one for now. So let's get to it. Alright, that's what the ink tank looks like. Sorry, it's a bit blurred, and the lighting's not too good either. So we've got to rip off all that plastic stuff first and remove an orange bung on the bottom, and also that orange tab, and then we can put the printer in, either the ink tank in. When you're moving this orange bung or plug, I call it, whatever it is, at the bottom, you've got to twist it anti-clockwise. But when you do, be careful you don't squeeze the ink tank at the same time. Otherwise you may squirt a little bit of ink over yourself, and that can get a bit messy. Like that, and good twist, and off it comes. Alright, to get into the ink tanks, with this printer, all you do is just put your hand there and lift up. But if for some other Canon printers, like say my old one, I had to push a button on the side to release the lid. Okay, as you can see, I've got 3 ink lights flashing, and the lights show that the printer ink tank is nearly empty or needing replaced. So the ones that are flashing fast are the ones that are needing replaced. This black one has a little bit to go. So we just push on the tab and lift the ink tank out and drop it on its way out as well. No, try not to drop it. And insert the new ink tank. Push down till it clicks, and then close the lid. Alright, now that the ink tank's in and the lid is closed, on the screen you can see the display of all the ink tanks. I've still got a yellow one to replace, which I will do later, and of course the black one. But the cyan that we replaced, this one here, is now showing full. So that's this printer up and ready to go. Well, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a like, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.